Unlocking everyday English. Block off the road. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might hear in daily conversations, news reports, or even during your travels. Block off the road. Understanding these common phrases can greatly improve your English comprehension and communication skills. So, let's get started. When we say, block off the road, we're talking about preventing access to a road or a part of a road. This can be done for various reasons, such as construction work, an accident, a public event, or for safety concerns. The phrase implies that something is physically placed or positioned in a way that stops traffic from passing through. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Due to construction, the city will block off the road next week for repairs. Here, it means no vehicles can pass through that section of the road because of construction work. 2. Emergency situations. After the accident, police had to block off the road to clear the wreckage. This implies the road is temporarily inaccessible to ensure safety and allow emergency services to work. 3. Festivals or parades. For the annual parade, several streets downtown will be blocked off. This indicates those roads are reserved for the event, preventing regular traffic flow. Understanding phrases like block off the road is crucial for several reasons. If you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country, knowing what this means can help you navigate more effectively and avoid confusion or delays. It's also a common phrase used in news reports about traffic or events, so recognizing it can improve your overall comprehension of English media. We hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and usage of block off the road. Phrases like these are keys to unlocking a deeper understanding of English in real-world contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore the roads of language learning with curiosity and enthusiasm. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.